Now at the rear of the car, we'll do the rear axle oil. There's no drain plugs on these axles, just this one side fill hole, so you do need to suck the old fluid out and put the new fluid in this same spot. It's a 9mm hex. Now most sets, socket sets, don't come with 9mm, they come with like 8 and 10. So you can buy this. This is a Lisle number. Lisle. That doesn't matter. It's very tight in here. Very difficult to get a ratchet on the end here. I'm gonna try. Where's my ratchet? There it is. Yeah, good luck with that, right? You might be able to get, I don't know, it's really tight. It's really tight. I think your best bet with this is to, if you have a wrench, it's 9mm obviously. I actually don't have a 9mm wrench handy right now, so I'm going to use this snap-on 3/8 flare wrench, which I'm hoping will do the trick. I'm just going to kind of put it on like that, and then let's see if I can pop this in here like that, and I'll see if I can't break that loose. There we go. And keep our little limited slip lube only tag. Clean it up and put it back on. Now, is it gonna leak out? That's the only thing. Just in case this decides to drip, I'll have this thing handy. Okay. I don't want to lose my tag. Oh, no drippy drips. That's good. Oh yeah, there's... Geez, it's so clean. I don't know, I think I'm going to change it anyways, but I know it's done. Alright, we got the pump rigged up again. Got an empty container there I'm going to run the fluid into. I just got it propped up with that wood so it doesn't fall over and make a mess. Keep this end clean. And if we can just neatly get her up in there. Now, the question is how do you get down to the bottom to drain the fluid out? I'll have to play with the hose for a bit to get it kind of manipulated. There we go. There we go. Now we got it. Kind of going into the bottom. Okay. Start pumping. There it comes. Maybe it is a little bit dirty, a little bit dark colored. It certainly doesn't hurt to change it. Okay, I'll just have to keep pumping and kind of moving the hose around in the axle, in the diff there, to until I stop getting oil. Like I said, it's really clean looking anyways. If I don't get it all out, I'm not too concerned. If you get 90% of it out, I'm happy with that. Again, if you don't have one of these pumps, you should get one. I've gone without for many years, and I don't know why, because they're pretty handy. 20 bucks or less at most parts stores or Amazon or whatever. All right, I got the thing all moved around. I can't seem to get any more, so we're going to call that good. And now we'll pump the new stuff in. I'm going to fill it with this stuff, Royal Purple Max Gear 75W90. This stuff has the friction modifier additive already in it. Be careful with gear oils. Sometimes they say, you know, limited slip, suitable for limited slip differentials. It doesn't mean that it has the additive in it. Just because it says for limited slip differentials on it, you have to have the friction modifier, and most gear oils don't. You might have to buy the tube or the additive tube to add into the gear oil. So just be aware of that if you're doing oil changes on a limited slip differential. So I'm going to use this. Put that in here, all the way to the bottom. I think that's the bottom. Maybe a little bit of tape just to keep it there. Royal purple, it's purple. Kind of gimmicky in my opinion, but whatever. It's what I have on the shelf. Look at it, it's purple. All right, it's full. It's dripping out. A little bit on the exhaust. That'll smell good when it burns off. Okay, I got the drain plug. I put a little bit of that pipe dope on it too. Figure it can't hurt. And now we can just thread her back in. Oh shit, I forgot to put on the limited slip tag. Christ, we'll have to back it back out. God damn it. Why didn't you guys remind me of that? Piss off. What a stupid thing to do. Shit, I hate wasting time like this. Look at all those jugs. Look at this thing. It is clean now. That's good. Done.